Okay, folks. Finally got the garage door fixed. This was what caused all the problem. Now, when I move the mouse cursor over here, this is the problem. This is not straight. This should be over here to make it straight. So this one is broken. Okay. I don't know how that happened. I thought the door moved it over, but he says, no, whoever installed this installed it wrong. Well, I'll keep quiet about that. You'll see it in the video. Anyway, now it's straight. And if you look at it, this line is straight with the door. And I'll show you the video now of what this guy did. So he moved this over from here to over here, and he fixed the cable, and then he fixed the wheel hinge over here. It cost me over 300 bucks, but it's well worth it. So let's go to the video. Okay, folks, I tried to do it on my cell phone. It didn't work, but this is what the problem was, okay? So I'm using the Nikon ZF. This was not straight. He said that this was a little bit over to the left, and whoever set it up, which was me, on the Genie, it was crooked. But you see, the guy that fixed it or did the doors was the one that set up the door. But I never noticed it being offline before. But now it's in sync. As you can see, it's straight to that center frame. Whereas before, it was something like way off. And I thought what happened was this cable right here came loose, okay? So it went up tilt something like this, okay? And with that tilt, it made a dent right here, which the guy fixed. You know, he just used pliers and bent it back. But it pulled this wheel out, all right? So I repaired that. So all he did was he did the cable, tightened the torsion, moved this over, and it was over 300 bucks. But now, watch this. Isn't that something? In fact, I'm going to go in here, go into the car, get my garage opener. So if we come out here and look at it, it is now straight. It was leaning a little bit to the left. It was going down like this. And you know, I don't think I ever did take a picture in the front, but I'm going to close it again. And apparently I failed on everything else. So I think he's trying to say that I need a new door, but this is actually a new door. It's just an old Genie garage opener. So they replaced the whole door and they replaced the insulation on the inside. I got new Torx, new cables, new rails, but on the invoice it says you failed everything. Yeah. When they inspect your house, they say the same thing also when you're getting ready to sell it. So. The inspector's working for the guy that's going to buy the house. So he's trying to make it as cheap as possible. So anyway, it's working. And I fixed the wheel. So now you can see a straight line this way, whereas before it was dipping a little bit below. And the same thing if I go on this side. If you look at the railing, that too. And I probably have it on the wrong white balance. Okay. So remember to, let's go outside. Let's see if it's on. Hit the I button. What? Yeah, it's on incandescent. Let's do this. Okay. Now let's see if it's blue again. Usually when I see blue, it's the wrong color. Okay. So the same thing here. Everything's straight. And everything looks good. And you know what? I think he fixed that too. Yep, he did the wheel. Before it didn't extend all the way out. So I think he replaced the wheel or the cylinder on the inside. So he did work on that too. It only took him 15 minutes. If you know what you're doing, it makes the job much easier. Okay, close it. And there you have it. So just remember, stay safe, keep smiling. Until next time, I shall see you then. Happy day. Back in business. Bye, folks.